This video found you. I do not believe in coincidences, and you were meant to find this.
I think you're gorgeous. I think you're powerful. I think you don't even know how powerful you are. I think you're learning how to harness your power. I think you have all the tools you need to cultivate the life that you want, and you're learning how to utilize them better. I think that you're perfect exactly how you are. I think you're exactly where you need to be. I think that you need to calm down, breathe.
Breathe,
I think that you don't need to prove anything to be validated, to be worthy of love.
Sure don't. Sure don't.
I think your existence is the validation.
Amen.
I think you make every room you walk into better.
Amen.
I think you need to obsess less about figuring it out.
Amen.
I think you need to worry less. I think you need to worry less about your worrying. I think you
Less,
embody love,
less,
fire, and
less.
everything in between, everything under the sun, and it's all right. I think you don't make mistakes, you just get more wisdom. I think you're going to right your wrongs. I think you're going to enter a transformative healing process. I think you're going to break through. I think you don't need to wait to celebrate, you can celebrate now.
You.
I think everything you're looking for is already inside of you, it just needs some watering and attention. I think you're marvelous, I think you're joyous, I think you're crazy, I think you're wild and everything in between, and it's all right. I think you're human. I think you're so powerful, it's freaky.
Way
I think you need
freaky.
to appreciate the highs and the lows. I think they're the same.
They're
I
all
think the
the
more
same.
you accept your low points, the more you get highs. I think you're a
Amen.
spectacle of a human being. I think everything's getting better. I think everything is as it's supposed to be. I think nothing's wrong with you. I think you're learning to trust the process.
Amen.
I think you're learning to trust yourself. I think you're learning to trust your mistakes, trust your glory, trust everything. I think you're learning to choose you unapologetically. I think you
Amen.
have so much love to give, and you're going to give it.
Can I get an
I think
amen
you're
down
motivated
below?
by love, not revenge. I
Amen.
think you're amazing.
Amen. I'm going to link his video down below. If I can find this exact video, it wasn't a link, it was just a video. So I will try to find the video. If not, I will link his page down below. Yes, baby. My little baby's come and asked me. Go. They've been outside playing all day. Say hi. Yes, baby. I keep trying to tell all of you, every single one of you, that you're a supercomputer. And I keep telling you this because you're so smart. You can look at the back of it. I never knew this. I just learned this morning, okay? Any one of us can look at the back of a cereal box and read it start to finish within 1 second. And you can retain all that information, okay? We've just been taught that we're stupid, we're unworthy, we're not that smart, etc., right? So, especially when you lived with parents who didn't have the best parents, right? It's like cycles repeating cycles. And I'm a generation, how do I say this? I am a generational curse breaker, okay? I am going to be the first millionaire in my family. I am going to be the first to do many things. I'm going to be the first to parent my children the way that I parent them, with love instead of fear. Many, many different things, right? So when I tell you that you're a supercomputer, it's because you already have all of the answers right inside of you. You already know exactly what to do, when to do it, how to do it. A lot of us are indecisive. Hello, me. Me and my husband both. I don't even know how, whatever, but we are both the most indecisive people. And sometimes it gets me in trouble. Sometimes it's a good thing. I don't really know. My glasses are driving me nuts because they're foggy. But when I tell you you're a supercomputer, it's because I want you to dig deep and dig inside and start just sitting with yourself in silence, okay? Breathe. Focus on your breathing. And every single day, I want you to tell yourself how amazing you are, and that you can do hard things, and that all of the things that you've been taught your entire life are not true, okay? Because your thoughts create your reality. So no wonder you're broke, you're down and out, you don't have a good relationship, people treat you like shit, because mentally you're in that place, right? And people say, well, no, like, but no, I really want you to sit back and think about this, because when I learned about this concept, I was like, nah, there's nothing wrong with whatever, like, and then the more I sat back and the more I thought about it, and the more I sat with myself in silence, is when it all started to make sense. We have been taught that we need to wake up every day, go work for somebody else, live by their rules, They tell us when to be there, what to wear, how to act, what to say. Then you come home, you got to make dinner, whatever, and go to bed. Like, what other time do you have in the day to do the things you want to do, or, you know, complete the projects you want to complete, whatever the case may be? There's no freaking time. And the craziest part is when you just kind of let go and just trust, as hard as that is, because again, we have been taught that we got to run, oh my God, worry, oh my God, where's it, what are we going to do, what are we going to do? We're always taught to either live in the past, which is depression, or live in the future, which is anxiety, instead of living in the present moment right here and now. And so I really just want to drive home how smart, how beautiful, how amazing you are. You have the answers. You know what to do. Follow your gut. Follow your intuition. Because we all have intuition. A lot of us just choose not to use it. I mean, I use my intuition. That's how I am where I am today. But too many of us are stuck in this rat race where we think that everything is so bad. We have to worry about everything. We don't know where we're going, so that's scary. And we're so worried about where we're going and all that we can't even stop to see what's going on right in front of us. And it all goes back to like my DIY YouTube channel, because that's really when my eyes really opened, was when I took a break and I took a step back and looked at it for what it was. I mean, I had absolutely no time for anything. And like I was telling a friend, it got to the point where I'd walk in Dollar Tree and I'd be like, I'm not interested in any of this. You know, I realized how much time it took to take cheap items and turn it into something beautiful, right? Whereas I could go spend $20 and get something that was already made just as beautiful, if not more, and it didn't take me 3 days and all this to make it. It didn't take time away from my children. You know, at the end of the day, you have to understand that time is money. Now, time is an illusion. It really depends on how you look at time, because there is no time. There is no past. There is no future. The only time is the present moment, right? So why so many of us focus on time is kind of wild. So I just want to drive home today that stop focusing on the past. Stop focusing on the future. You're beautiful. You're amazing. You're a supercomputer. You have all the answers. You can do that hard thing. You are worthy of that thing. You are smart enough. You can do it. And you will do it if you set your mind to it and then take aligned action. Do you guys understand? This is how I have everything that I have. Like, my kids are going to be... they're going to be millionaires because they've been watching how I move. And I'm so freaking proud of that. But literally, all I do is say, you know what? I want that. Okay? I want that thing. Oh, that's a house that I never ever thought would be possible and I want it. Yep, I can have it. Now, did I take action before that and have all my ducks in a row? Yes, you can't just go from a 400 credit score and whatever. You get what I'm saying? Like I've been building my credit. My credit is immaculate. I've been saving. I did all the things before. So right when I saw it, I'm like, yep, I want that, and I got it. But to get here, I set my mind on something. I say I'm gonna do it. And I take aligned action. Yes, my baby. Can I have a kiss?
I ate it all.
Yeah, you ate it all. Good job. Love you. So I just take aligned action. Yes. I believe in myself. And I go for it. So I really hope this finds the right person today. It's beautiful, babies. Look at that beautiful sunset. Oh my gosh, it's really weird seeing your manifestations come true in real life. My kids were out back earlier playing, and it was literally my vision. And big open field with like animals. You should have seen Sophia with her chickens. Look, she's checking on her chickens. She holds them. She's my animal girl. So there's kittens in the barn. We're gonna get more chickens. You see the chickens? Look how cute they are. So we're just loving farm life, and this was my literal dream. This was my manifestation, and to see it all in real life, from dream to real life, I'm here to share with you that it's super simple, and I'm going to teach you exactly how I got everything that I have. I mean, I'm a recovering addict, okay? This house is on another caliber. This was just like in a movie, you know? I was in a mindset. Excuse me, sir, please get down. You're going to hurt yourself. I was in a mindset of like, this would be for somebody else. It wouldn't be for me. And I'm just so proud and grateful. And this is why I'm sharing, because too many people are mentally in prison. We still need to get a lot of stuff. The new couch is coming in March. I'm not too happy with this mirror. I want to get like you can see that she had like an arch. But yeah, I mean, I manifested a new body. Like, who is that? You know what I mean? You can do anything you set your mind to. Yes, baby, that's okay. I'll get it. That's okay. No big deal. Accidents happen. I love you guys to the moon and back. If nobody has told you today, you are absolutely stunning. You are worthy. You are gorgeous. You can do anything you set your mind to. Why so many of you hold yourselves back for fear breaks my heart. And I just wish that my videos will touch somebody and give them the courage to take the steps to go change their lives, because you don't understand how small changes impact the bigger picture. That's a new saying for me. Small changes impact the bigger picture. Okay, I'm coining that. But I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.